Alright, what's up, y'all? So, got the call from the machine shop. About to go pick up my heads. My original 318 heads were cracked. They had like some hairline cracks in them. The guy called me and he said, you know, he pressure tested them. They didn't leak, which I knew they didn't leak because it wasn't overheating. But, you know, he was asking me, you know, what do I plan to do with this? Like, did I just pull it to put it back in the Durango? And I told him I was putting it in my truck, I was swapping it, and you know, he was like, you know, if you care about your truck and everything, just, you know, go ahead and replace them now because eventually the crack's gonna spread and then you're just gonna have problems down the road. So he said he can get some, he said he can get two, you know, used ones. He said he can get them that, you know, aren't cracked, and he rebuilt them and everything for, I think he said 400 bucks. And yeah, and then he wouldn't charge me, you know, for checking my other two, you know, if I did that. So yeah, so I'm gonna go pick those up right now. Let's go. Alright, here they are. Nice and clean. New springs. Bells. Came out super good. I am painting the block. I don't know if I'm gonna paint the heads. I might paint the heads. Cause I'm definitely painting the block. Yeah, I might paint the heads too. Cool.